No experience? No problem. I'll show you how to create a virtual assistant portfolio that gets clients, even if you've never worked online before. Hi, I'm Tessa, and I help ordinary people become virtual assistants. No degree, no stress. Today I'll show you step by step how to build a simple but professional VA portfolio using free tools and your pre-existing skills. You might be wondering what a VA portfolio is. What is a VA portfolio? It's your digital resume plus proof of what you can do. It should include your name and your title, e.g., Tessa General Virtual Assistant, the services you offer, the tools you use, sample of your work, testimonials, real or mock testimonials, and of course your contact info. What are the tools that you will need? Canva. You need Canva for designing your portfolio as a PDF or landing page. Google Docs or Notion. This is for written samples. And then Gumroad, Google Drive, or a free website for hosting. What to include in your portfolio slide by slide. Slide 1. Introduction. Hi, I'm Tessa, a virtual assistant passionate about helping busy professionals manage their tasks efficiently. Slide 2. Services you offer. Email management, admin tasks, social media scheduling. Slide 3. Tools you're familiar with. List tools like Gmail, Canva, Trello, Google Docs, etc. Slide 4. Sample work. Create fake tax samples. Example, a social media calendar for a mock client. Make a customer service email reply template. Slide 5. Testimonials. If you've helped family or friends, ask for a kind word. If not, create a realistic mock testimonial and say it's a mock sample. Slide 6. Contact info. Include your email, social links, or booking form. What's a pro tip a virtual assistant can use to appear more professional, to become more professional? Use ChatGPT or Canva Docs to help write or design anything you feel stuck on. The goal is clarity, not perfection. What's your assignment for today? Create a 5-slide portfolio using Canva or Google Slides. Post it in the comments if you want me to review it. And I have a gift for you today. There's a free download of a free VA Starter Toolkit. Don't forget to download it and the ideas that are included. And hit the bell because next episode I'll show you how to price your services as a beginner VA, even if you feel awkward asking for money.